Hello everyone, welcome to our today's session of our weekly updates. And sorry I was unable to update in the last week, so I'm covering both of these weeks in this today's video. And if you are new to our channel, I will request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's begin with our this week's weekly updates. So first, this particular last 2 weeks update. The first update is Google announces things to do, free listing and ad units. Now what exactly is this free listing or things to do listings is? As you have know that Google introduces a lot of new features into their search results. So especially for travel industry, for the queries which are related to travel industry, Google is now going to show, not for every country in the world as of now, but they are slowly applying this options for all the countries where you are searching for certain location. You may see this option of things to do in that particular location, and also they are introducing an ad unit also in that. Initially it will be also having a free listing for travel related websites. At the same time they will also have ad units in this option. So that is one of the new feature added by Google. This is very important for who uses this particular plugin Ninja Form. Actually there was a very big vulnerability in the last week which has affected millions of websites, and a website which got affected, the attacker can take the full control of the website, or that they can publish some bad content on the website and use that website for phishing attacks as well. So make sure that if you are having a Ninja Form in your website, make sure you update as quick as possible and double check your website, and if there is any changes or any content has been added from by someone, make sure you delete that and change your usernames and password and update your WordPress as well as your Ninja Form to protect yourself from the Ninja Form vulnerability update. Next update we had was on 23rd September. Google updates keyword matching process. Now what exactly is this keyword matching process and what update actually happened? Now if you are aware of Google keyword matching, what exactly, how does Google match the keyword? For example, if you see, if there are two keywords, for example, one keyword is let's say in phrase match web, I'll remove it. Okay, let's say we have a keyword in phrase match web design course. This is our keyword 1 in phrase match, and then we have, let's say, another keyword which is like web design course in Hyderabad. Let us say we have, this is a second keyword. Now in the earlier version of Google, what Google used to do is they used to see which keyword has, let's say the user query is web design course in Hyderabad. Now logically speaking, both of this keyword match with the query. Any of this keyword can trigger, but in earlier version Google used to focus more on that keyword which has more ad rank. So if suppose this keyword has a more ad rank, it would trigger. But now Google is shifting from that option and it is giving importance to the keyword which is actually more relevant to the query. So which means if a customer is searching for ABC and that ABC is actually available in the keyword, so Google will give more value to that particular keyword itself. That is actually the update which has been Google changing from the matching. I will give you the link in the description. You can check it exactly the details of this update. Next update we have is Google adds new page for advertiser page which is used for transparency purpose. It's basically like in Facebook you have an option. If you remember, in Facebook we have ad transparency option where you can see where this advertiser is running ads, what are their ads right now running. In the same way Google also is introducing this advertiser pages for increasing the transparency to show what this advertiser is, where this advertiser is advertising from, and all other details can be shown in that particular advertiser page. Google have added with this new update. Next update we have is Google is working. This is actually very good for those those users who use TikTok and Instagram a lot. If you are having your videos on TikTok, in India TikTok is obviously banned, so we may not get advantage from this, but if from other countries where TikTok is available, what for them Google is right now working with working on a process where they can index TikTok videos as well as Instagram videos. Now it can be a great opportunity. Why? As of now, if you see, mostly the content which ranks on the top is from YouTube itself, which is a good thing for YouTubers. But what about those creators who are on TikTok and Instagram and very relevant? In fact, today the situation is, even if you're looking for a TikTok video with the word TikTok, you will see videos from YouTube itself, which is basically because TikTok doesn't allow and Instagram videos doesn't allow indexing of their content. So Google is working around with a plan with them so that they can allow the indexing process. So that is in progress. So once it happens, it will be a great opportunity for creators on TikTok and Instagram to take advantage of this new feature once Google has some kind of contract with these particular companies. Next update we have is one question asked to John Mueller, and according to that question, the actual question was from someone who said, like, my website has suddenly dropped 20% or something. So in return for that, to answer that question, so John Mueller has said, how do we know whether the Google Core Web Vitals is affecting or page experience is affecting our website? So simple answer, he said, in simple terms, it is this: page experience update is actually page-to-page basis, and Core Web Vitals will not get affect your website very quickly or immediately, because this is not a kind of penalty. It is not a panda, it's not a penguin. So what he mentioned specifically is the update of Core Web Vitals. If you got affected with that, or if you got affected with page experience update, you will slowly see a gradual decline or a gradual drop in your traffic, not a sudden. Even if you are improving, it won't be sudden. It will be again a gradual increase in the traffic or gradual decrease in the traffic. So you have to remember this. Keep your keep an eye on your webmaster tool, your Google Search Console, and check your traffic as well as your Core Web Vitals feature, so that you can see, is there any drop in your page experience factors, and if there is, you have to again match it with what your ranking is happening and how it is increasing or decreasing, so which can be matched up with your data itself. So this is one of the important update. And then Google moved on from 200 ranking factors. Now basically this was a very common word. Even I used to say that in every video, that Google uses 200 factors for ranking. Now what Google have said here regarding this aspect is, basically it is not right to say that Google still uses 200 from factors, 200 plus factors, where we can put them as list by list in a spreadsheet or somewhere, and say that this is the most important factor, that is the most important factor. No, what Google is now doing is they are using more advanced algorithms, they are using artificial intelligence, they are using natural language processing, they are using all these AI systems to make the query more, give the result very quickly to the user as per his query. So we can say that today we cannot right away pinpoint that each and every factor is going to be an important aspect of Google ranking factor. We cannot define that, but basically Google uses all of these factors, and apart from it, the most important is that AI algorithms which will decide what page has to be on the top or what page has to be on the different positions. So John Mueller have said that point as well, that it is not right to focus only on that factors, or just say that these are the 200 factors only which Google uses. There will be many more factors, and there will be no factors at all which may be based on and artificial intelligence results as well. So that is one of the options you have to consider. Please read the article as well, so you get a clear understanding about that option. And now this is a very important update. Google announces search redesign with MUM update. Now what is MUM update? It's actually before a few months back itself. In this year itself, Google have released about this artificial intelligence algorithm called as MUM, which stands for multi-task unified model algorithm, which is basically doing a multitask, doing a kind of mix up of search results. Based on one result, you want to get another result irrespective of keywords. Now first thing, this particular update majorly was for Google, has been already launched in Google Lenses, where you can actually search for one topic in Google Lenses for a product, and with that product you can search for other product as well. But in search, Google is going to bring these three things things to know and topic zoom and visually browsable search results. For example, if I type a query, let us say if I type a query like let us say acrylic paint, it's a keyword. Now what Google is going to give us is things to know, like regarding this acrylic paints, what are the things to know, and this is based on the mum update. They can able to give us some important pointers, not just like FAQ, but there will be more important relevant topics. Topic zoom, for example, if I'm asking for one topic about, let's say, coffee, so maybe they will give me subtopics about the coffee which I can explore more about that particular topic. And browsable visual search results is, instead of just 10 results, Google may focus more on now giving different types of results which will be visually appealing for the customers, and more important, it will answer the question of the customer. So that is going to be the mum update. Please read about the mum update. It's in Google blog itself, so you will understand how this AI algorithm is really working. So these are the things we have for this last 2 weeks, friends. I hope you have understood and you have learned something new about our new updates in digital marketing. You can visit our website webtrainings.in, as well as if you are interested to learn digital marketing, you can call us on the number which I have given on this particular screen. You can call on this number to know more about new batches, and we are going to start a new batch of classroom training very soon, so you can contact this number and book your seat as well soon. Thank you very much.